In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Zoho Desk. If you're new to Zoho Desk or just need a refresher, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the entire process in a simple and straightforward manner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add contacts with ease, ensuring your customer information is neatly organized and easily accessible. First, let's begin by navigating to the Customers module within Zoho Desk. The great thing about Zoho Desk is its user-friendly interface. Upon logging in, you'll find the main dashboard, which serves as your central hub. From here, locate the menu options usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Your goal is to find the Customers module. This is where all the contact and customer-related information is stored. When you click on the Customers module, a new set of options will appear. Next, you're going to focus on the Contacts tab. You'll see this along the left menu under the Customers section. Click on Contacts, and you'll be directed to the Contacts homepage. This is the area where all your existing contact information is displayed, giving you a comprehensive view of everyone you currently have in the system. It's an organized list that makes it easy to search and manage your contacts efficiently. Now, on this Contacts homepage, your objective is to add a new contact. Look towards the top of this page for an icon that indicates Add. It's often represented by a plus sign or some similar symbol, indicating that this is where you create new entries. Clicking on the Add icon will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details about your new contact. As you prepare to enter information, take a moment to gather all the necessary details, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other specific information relevant to your business needs. The more complete the information, the easier it will be to manage relationships and communications later on. Filling out this form accurately ensures that every contact entry is precise, which aids in delivering exceptional customer service. After you have input all the required information into the form fields, look for the Save option, typically found at the bottom of the form. Saving your work ensures that the new contact is added to your Zoho Desk system and reflected immediately on the Contacts homepage. To wrap it up, remembering this process will allow you to maintain a well-organized database of contacts. Clear organization within your customer information on Zoho Desk is key to efficient business operations. You're now equipped with the knowledge to add new contacts seamlessly. Hopefully, this tutorial made the process straightforward and understandable. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.